The price of this fully furnished 4-bedroom property in East Legonhills will shock you. Let's check it out. With just $550,000 you will be the owner of this property and this beautiful pool. Ube feel. Check it out. The pool is so big now. Let's check inside. Yeah, I forgot. Let me leave my slippers here. I don't want to dirty your house. Come with me. Check it out. Everything is beautiful. See setup. Everything is beautiful for you. Check it out. You have a big living room for you. See, TV sets. You have a big TV right here for you. Check it out. A beautiful couch for you. Check it out. So soft. Check it out. You have a beautiful chandelier for you. Check it out. Everything here is so nice. And everything here comes with the price. You know, ube feely. I feel like a king. This dining table is so massive. Check it out. Everything beautiful. Check it out. Check it out. See, everything is nice. Ube feely. So guys, let's check the kitchen. Come with me. Ube feely. Check it out. You have your inbuilt fridge already, oven and microwave here. You have an electric stove here. Your cabinet being fixed already. This is the kitchen sink. Everything is so lovely. Ube feely. So guys, this is here you will keep your wine, like your expensive wines. Check it out. Azu, Hennessy, Mattel. Your body go to tell you. You go feel like Odogu. Let's go upstairs. So guys, on the first floor, you have 3 bedrooms. Check. This is bedroom 1. This is bedroom 2. See, everything nice for you. Let's check inside, bro. Come. Check it out. So big and massive. You have your inbuilt wardrobe already for you. Everything is so nice. Check the bed. Check it out. So soft. It go to massage you. Ube feely. And this is bedroom 3. Come, let's check it out. Come. Everything here is so nice. You have your digital switch here. Check it out. No be light out too. Now me press am. Come, check it out. The bed is so soft. Check it out. So soft. So soft for you. Check it out. You have everything fixed already. Wardrobe fixed already. And it's come with a very neat washroom. Come check the washroom out. Check it out. Very nice washroom for you. Ube feely. Guys, let's go to the master bedroom. So guys, let's check the master bedroom. Come. Check it out. So nice. You have a big living room and it's a private living room for the master bedroom. Check it out. You have this nice interior. Everything fixed already. A big TV for you. A big TV unit for you. You go to do Dorime. You understand? You say my big boy now. You say my big man now. Check. You have this beautiful couch right here. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Everything is so nice. Ube feely. This is the master bedroom. Check it out. So beautiful and so gigantic. It's so big. Check it out. You have this beautiful bed for you. So soft. Check it out. So soft. Check it out. You have this beautiful mini dining table for you. Check it out. So nice. Decorated. So nice. Check this thing out. Everything here is so lovely. And guys, come. It comes with this big closet. A very big closet. You have your big wardrobe built already. Check it out. Check it out. See. Check it out. Very big and so massive. It go fit contain all your goods. Like either this in Gucci, Louis V, everything. Guys, the washroom will bust your mind. Come. Let's check it out. Come with me. So big. You have this transparent jacuzzi here for you. Check it out. So nice. Check it out. You have your WC fixed already. You have your this thing here fixed already. So nice. Your basin. Look at this. This is modern basin. You have this big mirror here. You go to switch them. You go to switch them. So nice. Check it out. See, everything here is so neat. You have this big shower booth for you. Check it out. Everything is nice. Check it out. Check it out. So big. Ube feely. And lastly, guys, this is the balcony. Check it out. So big for you. Check it out. So big. You have a peaceful environment. This is East Legonhills. If you love this property, pick my number. Call me. Let's talk about this property. Ube feely.